Magellan M820 Pro motorcycle dash camera review. Clear 2.5K safety front and rear. The last straw came at a dim intersection when a car cut across my lane and disappeared into the night. My old camera caught headlights and blur, nothing useful. I remember replaying the footage, feeling exposed and frustrated. Not good enough. That quiet doubt lingers after every ride. Have you ever felt that gap in protection? When footage is soft or washed out, it adds stress you carry home. You replay clips, squinting at glare and shadow, hoping for a readable plate. A friend once spent hours arguing over an incident because his video lacked detail. The tension felt heavy. It drains confidence. Still, there has to be a clearer way forward. The shift happened when I installed the Magellan M820 Pro motorcycle dash camera and saw what true dual 2.5K recording with Starvis 2 sensors could actually capture. Don't just pick any motorcycle dash camera. Make sure it has dual 2.5K Starvis 2 sensors with HDR so you never experience unusable night footage again. This system records front and rear simultaneously, balancing bright headlights and dark roads with HDR clarity. That matters. Built-in GPS logs route and speed data, while Wi-Fi lets you download clips through the app without removing the card. It even includes a 64GB high-endurance card and a 3-year warranty, so you start protected immediately. A busy commuter I know nearly missed an insurance deadline, but clear footage from his ride settled the issue within days. Relief was visible on his face. Beyond safety, some riders appreciate the 3-in-1 parking mode for monitoring the bike when parked, which quietly expands its role from ride recorder to security partner. Next, let's talk about long-term confidence. Over weeks of riding, the Magellan M820 Pro motorcycle dash camera becomes part of your normal routine. You start the bike, and it records without drama. Footage remains sharp in daylight, and at night, the HDR balance keeps streetlights from washing out key details. An industry reviewer described it as evidence-focused clarity rather than flashy specs, which felt accurate. One everyday rider told me, "It finally shows what I actually saw on the road." That consistency builds trust. The IP67 weather resistance means rain and road spray are simply conditions, not threats. Some riders worry about installation complexity, and while routing cables takes patience, the plug-and-play design and included hardware simplify the process compared to piecing together separate components. Small learning curve. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi reduce friction when saving or sharing clips, especially after an incident. I also appreciate the voltage detection that protects the battery during parking mode. More riders are quietly adopting systems like this for front and rear coverage. Would you rely on one camera or both? That question changes perspective. The Magellan M820 Pro motorcycle dash camera is less about gadgets and more about steady peace of mind. It combines dual 2.5K recording, GPS logging, weather resistance, and parking protection into one integrated system. Many experienced riders are upgrading to dedicated front and rear coverage for that reason alone. Smart protection. Results may vary depending on installation and conditions, but the clarity difference is noticeable. If you are ready to ride with stronger visual proof behind you, check the link in the description or pinned comment and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.